When we say these two letters together, they make one sound. What letter is this? That's right. This is the letter T. What letter is this? That's right. This is the letter H. The T and H make a sound when they are together, as in thumb. Sometimes it's like sound when they are together, as in they, them. Good. Listen to the story. Thad has thick thumbs. Thad's thumbs are always getting stuck. Thad's thumbs will not fit in a thimble. They are just too big. Even though Thad has thick thumbs, he would never trade them for thin thumbs. Thad thinks thick is better. What does this say? Good. Now look for things around the room that starts with this sound.